How to combine videos on iPhone camera roll. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the iMovie application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on Movie at the bottom. Over here, you can make a movie from scratch using media from photos and your camera. Choose the videos you want to add from here and then tap on Create Movie below. You can now combine and edit the video lengths on this page. Tap on the play button to get a preview. After previewing, tap on Done at the top left corner. Now, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Share button in the middle. Select Save or Share Video. Here, you can view all the sharing options available. Scroll down and tap on Save Video. You have now successfully saved this video to your phone. Go back and open up the Photos application. You will find the video you just saved over here. Open the video to view it. Following these steps, you can easily combine videos on iPhone camera roll.